What is up, guys? It's your boy, the HP. Wait, what? What am I on about? Right, sorry about that. What's up, guys? It is your boy OMG. It's Frizz, and today I'll be bringing you something new. And this will be, as you can see down below on the title, I am making a BPL team, as you can see there. But we're just going to be opening some packs, some special packs. So we got some premium gold players pack. Obviously we get no one, but see we get here. Okay, absolutely no one. Okay, right, so guys, we will quick sell him because we've already got him. So now let's open this one. Guys, this is just the free packs. So, yeah, won't surprise me. Oh, wow. Goodbye. Okay, now on to the real stuff. Do not buy that. Okay, alright. First pack, guys. Digipack. First pack. First pick. Oh. Goodbye. Bye, my lover. Bye, my friend. Come on. EA gods. Please. Oh, yo! I got Silva! Oh my god! I got fucking Silva! Yo, I got Silva! No, look. I got Silva. Look. Left, right. Oh my god! Mate! Get wrecked. I got Silva. What do I do? Oh my god, I sent him to club. Hold on, Dad. I got someone really good. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Yo. Oh no. No. Holy shit, redeem free packs. Oh, fuck all the rest. Oh wow, what am I doing? Quick sell. Holy shit. Oh my god, guys, we got Silva. Guys, that deserves a like. Please. Make sure you smash that like button. Right, who do we get? Okay. Oh, that's really bad pack. That is a really shit pack. Okay. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Right. Please. Skip. Okay. That's decent. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Yo, I got freaking Silva. I'm gonna just open this last free pack. But I can't believe that, mate. I got fucking Silva. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god, holy shit. Yo. I don't know, but it's just been done. I just got freaking David Silva. No. Oh my god, I didn't know those packs was there. But yes guys, I am literally hyped over that. Thank you guys for watching.